finally nailed that new design. Only 4 factories to say your order is too small. Or worse, the samples come out looking like a total disaster. At Hanlix, we do way more than just bend wire. We have door-closer level precision engineering, integrating wire forming and die casting right in our factory. And the best part, before tooling, we 3D print a sample right here in Taiwan for you to approve. Got a drawing but no factory to evaluate it? DM me. Interested? Upload your drawing or a photo of your sample. Put our skills to the test completely free.